A warm welcome to my channel. Well friends, in today's video we will be discussing about some of the corporate actions that is going to happen next week. So the dates, as you can see on the screen, is 24th of May, which is Monday, and 28th of May, which is Friday, which is again the last week of the monthly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So we will discuss some basic things about share splits, which you can see on the screen. There is one share which is actually going to get split. There is one bonus that has been declared. What's the bonus ratio and who will be eligible for bonus and stuffs like that, we will discuss in detail. And there are 7 companies who has actually declared dividends. So the record date falls next week. So obviously till that record date you have to hold these 7 stocks so that you get the dividends. So stay tuned to till the end of the video, because there is some important thing that we are going to see as part of the dividend section. We will also see whether what exactly is the percentage that you will get in terms of dividend. So say suppose assuming a stock which is of 100 rupees and the company gives a dividend of 10 rupees, that means you are making a profit of 10 percentage, right? So we will see the percentage and we will decide which are the stocks we need to hold and which are the stocks we need not hold, and we can sell them off. So let's quickly go, and first section, that is share split. Let's find out which company is going to split. So the first company that is going to split, and the record date being 24th of May, is Apte Amalgamations Limited. You can see on the screen Apte Amalgamations Limited. This company is going to split in 10:5. So that means the face value of 10 will become face value 5. That is, in simple calculation, 2:1. So if the stock price is 100 rupees, it will become 50 rupees. And if you have 100 shares after split, you will have 200 shares. Simple. So your number of shares will double, but the share price will become half, because the face value is also getting half. It is getting split from 10 to 5. So this is the first company that is going to split. Now coming to the bonus part, this is very important, friends. 1:1 bonus has been decided, and 27th May is the bonus execution date, or record date we can call. But again, there is a catch. A lot of people have actually pinged me separately and they have asked me whether they will be getting benefits, because this is a bonus share, and we always know that in bonus you get extra shares without any cost. But there is a catch, friends. This is not a share bonus, but this is actually a debenture bonus. Now what is debenture? Obviously, if you look into my playlist, Basics of Stock Market, there is a video specifically dedicated to a debenture. So if you want to understand in details, I'll not drag this video, you can go and check. But I will also upload a separate video on this particular confusion, because a lot of people are thinking whether we will be getting some additional shares or not. So there is a bonus declared, but that bonus is declared on the debentures of Britannia, not the shares. So share price is something around 3,400 rupees per share at this point of time, whereas debenture is 30 rupees per share. So there is a difference, right? एक शेयर 3400 का है and एक शेयर 30 रुपये का. तो this bonus that company has decided, it's not normal share bonus, it's a debenture bonus. So I'll make a separate video and upload just after this. So this is the bonus part. Now let's quickly jump into the dividend part. We'll see which are the companies which are giving dividend, what are the record date, what is the percentage of dividend that you will get, and finally if the dividend is enough for you to keep this stock for long term. So friends, if you can see on the screen, these are the 7 stocks. Those have a record date falling next week. I have mentioned a record date as well. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this. This is basically a ready reckoner. It will be very helpful for you to identify and do some your own research whether you need to hold or not. So the first company is Canon Metal India Limited. Face value is 10 rupees. Dividend declared is 200%. So we know dividend is always on the basis of the face value. So a company with 10 rupees face value and 200% dividend, that means the amount of dividend you're getting is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees per share dividend you will get. The current market price of केना मेटल इंडिया लिमिटेड इज 1303. तो 1300 का स्टॉक है, पर एक शेयर के अगेंस्ट आपको 20 रुपये का डिविडेंड मिल रहा है, विच इज़ नॉट अ मैसिव अमाउंट ऑब्वियसली. इफ यू लुक इन टू द परसेंटेज, द डिविडेंड परसेंटेज दैट यू आर गेटिंग इज 1.53%. The next company is Welspun India. Again, the face value is 1 rupees. Dividend declared is 15%. So the dividend is 15 पैसे. तो 15 पैसा डिविडेंड आपको पर शेयर मिलेगा. Current market price of the company is 98, almost 100 के आसपास. पर हर शेयर के आपको 15 पैसा डिविडेंड में दे रही है कंपनी, which is very very low. but only 0.15% you're getting as a dividend. Next, a heavyweight company TCS, current market price is 3000 plus, whereas dividend percentage declared is 1500%. Face value इसका कम है, तो 1500% is not again a massive amount. It's 15 rupees only per share. So the dividend that you get is 0.49. It is also not that attractive, but again, obviously, if you're a long-term investor, you will definitely stick to it. Next company, Britannia Industries. Britannia Industries has declared both bonus on debentures and dividend as part of their corporate meeting. So I'll make a separate video as I've committed. Just after this, I'll upload. That is a bonus debenture video. But if you look into the dividend declared is 1250% of face value, which is 1 rupees. So the dividend comes to 12 rupees 50 paise. 12 रुपए 50 पैसे का dividend per share आपको मिलेगा. Current market price of the company is 3435. So friends, if you calculate the dividend percent, it comes down to 0.36%. Again, it is not a massive amount. Next is Trident, 1 rupees face value, percentage of dividend declares 36%, current market price 1665, dividend amount is 36 paise, but again the dividend that you get is 2%, which is not very low, not very high. Obviously, at least as compared to this big giants, you're getting a decent dividend from a penny stock company. Next is Signity Technologies, 10 rupees face value, 25% dividend. So 2 rupees 50 paise per dividend per share you get dividend. Current market price is 420. So the dividend percent you get is just 0.6%, which is also not that heavy. Final, Aventel India Limited. The stock's face value is 10 rupees, dividend is 40%, dividend amount is 4 rupees, and the current market price at which it closed yesterday is 537 rupees 60 paise. So the dividend that you get is again 0.74%. So friends, all next week ये 7 कंपनी है जो डिविडेंड दे रहे हैं, लेकिन इसमें से अगर आप डिविडेंड परसेंटेज देखो, it's not that very attractive, it's very less, only except Trident number 1 and number 2, Kena Metal India Limited. So these two companies have a standard basic dividend that they are giving. So if you are holding up, if you are having this company in your portfolio, obviously I have mentioned the record dates. You can take a screenshot and you can actually plan as per your requirements. So this is what, friends, I wanted to cover the corporate actions for the next week: split, bonus and dividends. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have got a lot of information that you're looking for. If you have enjoyed and if you have liked this content, if you want me to produce similar contents, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because your subscription is very important. As long as you keep subscribing, that gives me a lot of motivations in producing a lot of content for you. Thank you so much. Again, if you want, you can follow me on social network. I've given my WhatsApp number in the description if you want to see my personal trades, and if you want to buy positions or sell positions that I am taking in person, then the WhatsApp number is given. You can send me a text. I'll give you further instructions there. Thank you so much, friends. And last very important thing, if you want to invest and if you want to trade, be it short term, long term, anything, you need to have a demat account. So I have given links in the description. If you want, you can open demat accounts from them. Angel broking is something that the process is very fast, very short span of time. They quickly do online processing, KYC verification, everything is done online, and you can quickly open your account. If you want any further informations or help on that, I have given my WhatsApp number. You can ping me and I'll help you as per my availability and potential. Thank you so much, friends. I'll be back with the bonus debenture video as I have committed. Thank you.